are here at the Moon-Stream Vintage Campground. It is an Airbnb site, but you can also rent it from their website. We'll leave the links below. The other things that you'll find on here are a couple of sites where you can park your camper and get full hookups. You can rent them by the day, the week, and the month. The winter rates are a little cheaper, and then the summer rates are more expensive because everything goes up in the summer. So let's go ahead and show you everything that this really cute campground has to offer. Welcome to our tiny home. Are you ready for the tour? Come on in. So we are staying in a 1974 26-foot Airstream Argosy, conveniently named Long Teal Sally. Now that we've been living here a few days, I want to tell you a little bit about this amazing tiny home that we've gotten to enjoy. So behind you is the seating area / eating area where we enjoyed many breakfasts and vistas. Right here is the kitchen, which is actually quite spacious. I mean, look at all this counter space. And they've included this butcher block that fits in here in this insanely huge farm style sink. The propane gas stove behind you was amazing for heating breakfast burritos, and they provide you with a Dutch oven, which I really appreciated. On this side is our RV style refrigerator, which actually was insanely spacious. It's a lot of food. It's got a little freezer inside. Right here's where all the dishwares and extra pans were kept. We use this as our pantry, which was great. They provide you with a Keurig and a toaster, which we didn't use, but thank you very much. Back here's our bathroom, which honestly is quite a generous sized bathroom. The one that we had in Copenhagen was maybe this big. Our shower was on our toilet, literally. This served us very well. I took a shower in here, and let me give you a couple of tips because this is very much RV life. The hot water lasts 5 minutes or less, so rinse, soap, turn off the water, soap, rinse, turn off the water, etc. Because if not, you're gonna find yourself with really cold mountain water to finish off. Right here's our closet. They have stacked it with these amazing drawers, which fit quite a bit of stuff. So this was my side and this was Adam's side right here. And then my favorite feature of this Airstream was the bed.
This bed is so comfortable and I can stretch in it.
And this is where Betsy got to sleep last night. She got her own space, and that right there is a heated pad. She got her own electric blanket for her own bed.
It was super cozy. The pillows were amazing. I really appreciate when Airbnb hosts actually invest in their beds and pillows, because we have stayed in so many Airbnbs where our necks were super cramped because the pillows were horrendous. We've had to sleep with couch pillows. That's how bad they are. But kudos to Gwen and Patrick for investing in an amazingly comfortable bed, and surprisingly this comforter was really warm. There's also a propane heater right here. This is the thermostat, and it worked like a charm to keep this place warm and cozy. So after a little bathroom incident this morning, we gained access to BlueBelle next door to use the facilities. We're gonna go in and show you what that camper looks like. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, click up here on this card to watch our last video. All right, let's go. So now that we're in BlueBelle, I'm sure you're dying to know. Behind me is this giant bedroom with what looks like a king size bed. In here is your bathroom, equipped with shower, vanity, toilet, huge mirror, storage. You've got your coffee nook, more storage, a full-size closet to hang things, a giant refrigerator. So here's the freezer, here's the fridge, double sink with lots of hanging space and storage, microwave with more storage. And I just love this little detail right here that they've put in. Functioning stove with yet again more storage, but behind you is the living room. This table pulls up, so there's this one, there's also this one. Talk about spacious camper with all of the amenities that you would want for on the road in this Airbnb for you to experience. We're gonna go ahead and get out of here because this is not our space. Thank you, Gwen and Patrick, for letting us show it to the world. Hopefully you'll get a lot of bookings from this video. Let's go.
And I'm gonna go ahead and show you around the campground. Right outside of Long Teal Sally and BlueBelle is a communal fire pit ring where you can hang out and relax. In case you're wondering, they also have plenty of firewood available and poopy bags on site. If you're looking for a bit of peace and tranquility, on the side of the property, there's a path that'll take you down to the river. There's also a place to relax with some friends, take in the views, and play cornhole.
It has a little Airstream on it.
That's so cute.
Aw, how cute.
That was so peaceful and so much fun.
What a great little spot to relax
yeah.
and have fun.
2 more items before we wrap up this video. They do have a place to dispose of trash and recyclables. And last, there are some tiny houses available if you would prefer to stay in one of those. We hope you enjoyed the tour of Moon-Stream Vintage Campground.
We sure have enjoyed our stay. We'll be dropping the links on how you can access these Airbnbs and campsites below. Please make sure you hit that like. It's so important for the YT algo. And of course, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next tour. Bye.
We hope you enjoyed the tour of...
Let me slide back in.
Bless you.
Welcome to the Moon-Stream Vintage Campground. So this really adorable place is somewhere